Self-Publishing Titans Masterclass Review. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator B, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with low content products like KDP, low content books, printables, and digital planners. So this is a course brought to you by Cleo and Corvin from Self-Publishing Titans. They have created a course that is currently for sale at $97. It will go up at some point to $297, but at the time of filming this video, it is $97. Now, if you want to learn about Cleo and Corvin, the link will be down in the description for you to come and check it out. But basically, they are the people behind Self-Publishing Titans that has given us a number of tools, including different plugins that we can use when we're doing our market research over on Amazon.com. First one is this keyword niche score, and then the other one is like an auto suggester. So I'm just going to type out and see if it starts, and this is the auto suggestion that you can also download. They have a website as well where you can come to and use different research tools and also create some low content books with their free low content maker. And I did create a video actually showing you what these tools are. You can go and check it out in the top right hand corner, or it'll also be at the end of this video. Now, the tools that you can see here, there are two that are only available if you purchase the Masterclass, and they are the bottom ones, which is the Amazon Market Research and the Best Sellers category. So let's dig in and actually see what you get. So inside of Self-Publishing Titans Masterclass, there are 107 lessons. There's 80 videos for you to go through. There is also a private Facebook support group for you to get some help, or if you've got any questions and if you're not sure of something. There's also a download to all the different masterclass resources that he has gone through and has used in the training. Again, there is training on how to actually go and use all of these research tools to help you actually find great titles and subtitles and descriptions and your 7 keywords, and also the keywords that you can use in your Amazon ads. Also walks through how to actually get yourself set up on KDP if you haven't already got a KDP account. But one of the biggest areas that I thought was really good was about getting your mindset right and understanding that creating books for KDP or publishing books, either ebooks or low content or no content or medium content or whatever type of books, is not a get rich quick scheme. They take a long time to actually learn not only how to actually create these types of books, but it also takes a long time to learn how to find the appropriate niches and how to actually optimize your books so that they can be found organically on Amazon platform. Also, that goes through the argument of the quality versus quantity and what sort of game plan you should actually be taking up in order to earn your first $1,000 or your next $1,000, or to actually take your business to the next level. You're also given about 240 different book ideas, and also during the training when he's showing you how to use all the different tools and that, and how to go about finding the perfect niche and how to go about finding the perfect titles and your keywords, walks through 5 different books that you can actually be creating. Now, what this isn't about is actually about creating the books. There's no instructions on how to go about creating the cover or the interior, or how you would use different software in order to do that. What it's showing you here is how to do your niche research and how to do your keyword research and how to create your titles and your subtitles. And also, if you want to actually outsource the actual book creation and the cover creation, that is all covered in this training. Also mentions that a lot of this training is already out there freely available on YouTube or on blog posts and that, but what the difference is, all of this is in great order and you can keep coming back and looking at it, going through and actually asking questions about different things. The order of actually doing this is very different to what I've been taught and what I've learned. So for starters, niche research has always been the first thing. It doesn't matter who teaches you, whatever course, it's always been the first thing. And then it's always been about creating the interiors and then the covers. But on this one, it wasn't that. It was about creating your titles as the second step. getting your keywords and everything all together within the second step. Then the third one was actually your cover idea. Now, I've actually read about that before from a self-help guru writer called Wayne Dyer that's no longer with us. And what he said when he wrote his books was he created his covers first, printed them out and had them next to him so that he could visualize his book into life. So I think it's a great method, and it's a method that I'm going to start using instead of doing my niche research and then creating my book and then going and doing my titles and then my cover. I'm actually going to do niche research and titles and then do all the other creation. And like I said, creating the books and the covers is not actually covered in this training. That's freely available on different websites and YouTube. And there are other courses that actually show you how to do that. Ads is covered in this course and is actually covered in quite a lot of details. Auto campaigns, keyword campaigns, category campaigns and product campaigns are all covered. Now, I've never actually done category campaigns, so that is another thing that I'm going to start doing as well when I launch my 3 books that I need to get uploaded this week. So that is inside of Masterclass. I've also got to add that all the videos now includes closed caption in English. They are translating them into Arabic and Bengali. So if that is your language, they are also covered. So all in all, this course is absolutely fantastic, and it is a course that I'm actually going to go back into and re-watch about titles, subtitles and keywords and outsourcing, because I haven't actually outsourced anything for my KDP low content business. I have outsourced book writing and ebooks and things like that, but I've never outsourced any of my low content stuff. So I'm thinking I may have a look into that and follow what's done here. So if you want to go and check out this course, the link will be down in the description. And if you want to go and check out some of the free tools as well, that should appear in the video on this screen. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified about any other videos I make. I tend to make videos that show you how to go about creating these low content products, KDP low content books, printables and digital planners with a different software, including PowerPoint, Canva and Affinity Publisher.